Welcome to Get Preparation. Today we will solve question number 35 from GATE 2019. The question is given as the major product formed in the following reaction is. So here this compound is treated with at first diborane followed by acid. So we have to find out the final structure of the product. So before moving to the solution part, let's have a look at the basic concept behind this question. So the reagent is given here is diborane. So diborane is basically a dimer of borane. So B2H6 diborane is a dimer of borane with molecular formula is BH3. So how does it form? So two BH3 unit interact with each other and forms this dimer, which is known as diborane, and this molecule contains 2 electron 3-centered bond. Now these diboranes are used, or diborane can reduce many functional groups. For example, it can reduce aldehyde to corresponding alcohol, or nitrile to corresponding amine, or carboxylic acid to corresponding alcohol. But this diborane reagent is highly chemoselective towards acid functional group. What does it mean? So if you look at this example, in this molecule there are 3 functional groups. One is this ester functional group, here one is nitro functional group, and one is acid functional group. But surprisingly, this borane reduce only this carboxylic acid functional group, and it gives the corresponding alcohol containing product. So in our problem also, there is one acid functional group and one ester functional group. So let's see what will be the final product. So let's move to the solution part. So the question is given as like this. So at first the compound is treated with diborane. So as we have learned that diborane is very specific towards carboxylic acid functional group. So here also it will reduce only this acid functional group and ester will be intact. So we will get this alcohol product. Now let's redraw this molecule for our convenient for the next step. So the same molecule I have just drawn in this way. Now if you treat this molecule with acid, what will happen? It has one ester functional group, it has one alcohol functional group. So it can undergo lactonization, and we will get this 6-membered lactone product. And so this is the final product of this reaction. So let's see the options. So as the answer is lactone, definitely C is not possible, D is not possible. But here A and B both contains lactone. But the difference is in its stereochemistry. So if you look at this molecule, here the isopropyl group is above the plane. Here also in both the compound the isopropyl group is in above the plane. But here this ester functional group is on the right side of this center. So if you look at option A, this ester functional group is on left side of this chiral center. So this is wrong. So option B is the correct answer. To know about these boron reagents in details, you can follow the lecture series Reagents in Organic Synthesis by Professor Subhash Chandra Pan from Department of Chemistry, IIT Guwahati, especially lecture 11, Reduction with Borans, Diamide and Trialkyl silanes. Thank you.